Hello guys, today our topic is best law forms for mesothelioma. Here this topic is mesothelioma and asbestos law forms. A mesothelioma law firm specializes in asbestos law and mesothelioma cases. Law firms can get compensation for patients and loved ones by filing a mesothelioma lawsuit, asbestos trust, fund claim and other benefit claims. National mesothelioma law firms help families nationwide and will often travel to help file a claim. What is mesothelioma law firm? Mesothelioma law firms focus on asbestos litigation. They specialize in handling personal injury lawsuits, wrongful death lawsuits, and trust fund claims for patients and families facing mesothelioma. The nation's top mesothelioma law firms have years of experience aiding those with suspected asbestos exposure. Teams of specialized legal experts know the best ways to secure compensation to help pay for personalized cancer treatment and other expenses. Mesothelioma law firms have developed a deep knowledge and emotional understanding of mesothelioma and how stressful it is to navigate cancer treatment and health insurance. They understand how a terminal cancer diagnosis affects families and how important it is to spend precious time with loved ones. Why you need a law firm specializing in asbestos exposure cases. Hiring an experienced asbestos law firm is your family's best step forward towards securing mesothelioma compensation. These specialized firms tend to focus solely on asbestos cases and offer unparalleled expertise in this area of law. Here is streamlined process. An asbestos firm's background and knowledge translate into a more effortless experience for you and your family throughout the legal process. Here is complex state law. Asbestos litigation laws are challenging to understand and vary by state, making nationwide firm the best way to secure compensation. Here is asbestos databases. These firms have developed extensive resources to help build your case, including asbestos products, databases, and historical case records. Here is substantial reward. A significant amount of money is at stake in mesothelioma lawsuit, which can cover treatment costs and of life expenses, travel, lodging, and more. National mesothelioma law firms have litigated cases and trust fund claims nationwide. Choosing a nationwide firm gives you access to a network of attorneys with asbestos case expertise in each state who will determine the proper jurisdiction for filing your claim and maximizing your recovery. How to choose a mesothelioma law firm? Mesothelioma law firms specialized in asbestos cases. The first thing to look for when doing your research is their years of experience and a history of success. The top asbestos law firms in the US have a team of qualified attorneys who understand what you and your loved ones are facing and can give you confidence when pursuing your legal options. The top 5 must have when choosing your mesothelioma law firm are: Number 1, lawyers who understand mesothelioma and asbestos. Asbestos law firms have intimate knowledge of the different types of asbestos-related diseases and understand how this impacts the patient and the legal process. They know what you and your family are going through and how treatment may affect your ability to attend a trial. The teams of experts at these firms advocate for expedited trial dates and quick settlements based on the state asbestos laws that apply to your claim. They will also conduct depositions as soon as possible to avoid state of limitations, letting you focus on your medical care. Here is ability to document asbestos exposure. Firms specializing in asbestos have a wealth of deep industry resources and proprietary asbestos databases filled with information about asbestos products and contaminated job sites. Attorneys at asbestos firms will investigate your case in depth to discover proof of your claim. They will use this information and extensive databases to connect your mesothelioma diagnosis to prior asbestos exposure. Number 3 is no upfront legal cost and a free case evaluation.